Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can actually add in your data labels to your Microsoft PowerPoint charts. So in the previous video I showed you how you can go ahead and create charts, how you can change the chart titles, how you can add in access titles, but you may want to add in these data labels as well that it will, or in our case, would appear above these little bars and tell us the amount rather than you having to look at the bar and then look off to the left to compare the two. So let's go ahead and click into our chart here. So left click, and now that our chart is selected, we have these different options that are available to us. We're going to select chart elements. And once we do that, these are the different chart elements that are available to us. So maybe you wanted to add in a chart title and a data label. You can go ahead and select both. But in our case, we just want to go ahead and select the data label. So let's go ahead and hit it. And now that I did that, you can see we now have these data labels that are showing up for us. We can actually change the placement as well. So there's some different options here like center. We have inside end. I don't have to even select it actually to preview it. You just have to highlight it. And we have outside in, which is the one I like, where we had it initially. We have data callout. There's also more options. And if we would like to, I can also click into, unfortunately, it won't let me collect multiple categories at the same time. I can only select one, but the good part is it selects all four of them for the four different ones that we have. So now that it's selected, I can come over here to the Home tab under Font, and I can make all the same changes that I can to any other text that you would see on your PowerPoint. So I could do things like changing the color, changing the font size. I could also make it bold if I would like to. So whatever you think is going to make your data labels be visible to your audience, but not be distracting. So this is kind of distracting. I don't know if I would. I probably should have just left them at 12 and then left them at black font. But okay, and make this one 14 as well. There we go. All right, so that is how you're actually able to add in data labels, and then how you're able to format them. Then if you want to go ahead and remove them, just go ahead and select your chart again. Come over here to the little plus, and then unselect data labels, and now they're gone.